Hey everyone, welcome back. Recently, I've been seeing a lot of posts and discussions about a supposed unlimited stars and coins method for Domino Dreams. A lot of people are saying it's simple and doesn't require a PC, extra software, or any changes to your device. I was curious to see what this was actually about, so I decided to test the process myself and record everything along the way. In this video, I'll show you the steps I followed, share what I noticed during the test, and at the end we'll take a look at the results and see what happened. Before continuing with the test, I needed to collect one piece of information from inside Domino Dreams, my player ID. I opened the game, went to my profile section, and located the ID connected to my account. I saved it so I could keep track of the details while documenting the process. It was a quick step, and once that was done, I was ready to continue with the next part of the experiment. After that, I opened my browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you want. I typed in the website that everyone has been talking about and waited for it to load. The page opened normally, and everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. After the page loaded, I searched for Domino Dreams and opened the section related to the game. The page then asked for some information, including the device type and account details, so I reviewed what was being requested and continued documenting the process. At this point, I was mainly focused on seeing how the method worked and comparing the steps with the claims being shared online. The next step was choosing how much resources I wanted. Since I was testing the method, I picked one of the larger amounts. After confirming my choice, the site started showing loading bars and different progress messages. It looked like it was processing everything, but I wanted to wait until I checked the game before making any conclusions. There was also a short verification step before the process finished. I finished going through the verification steps earlier, so now it was time to check the final result. I went back into Domino Dreams and reviewed my account to see whether anything had actually changed. That brings this experiment to an end. You've now seen the full process from beginning to finish, so you can make your own judgment about the claims. Remember that methods shared online can be unreliable, so it's always a good idea to stay cautious and do your own research before trying anything. If you've come across similar claims or tested something like this yourself, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you enjoy these types of mobile game tests, reviews, and experiments, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.